How I got 1,000 subscribers in just 2 days using World Cup videos. What if I told you that in just 48 hours, my channel gained over 1,000 subscribers? Without spending a single dollar on ads, without having millions of views before, and without being a famous creator? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what I did, what worked, what almost failed, and how you can use the same strategy to get the same results. So make sure you watch until the very end because one small mistake could stop your videos from reaching thousands of viewers. Before we begin, if you're serious about growing your YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Let's grow together. When the World Cup started, millions of people around the world were searching for match highlights, predictions, and team analysis. Every goal, every upset, and every surprise created millions of searches within minutes. The world was watching. While most creators were waiting until the tournament was over to make best moments videos, I realized something important. People don't only watch after the event, they search while the event is happening. That was the opportunity. Instead of competing with huge channels on old content, I focused on being early. I wasn't just uploading random videos. Every video answered a question people were already asking. Why did this team lose? Can this country still qualify? I looked at what fans were discussing online and turned those conversations into videos. YouTube had fresh content to recommend. One thing I learned very quickly: being first matters. If a match ended at 9 p.m., I tried to upload within the next hour. Why? Because that's when millions of fans were opening YouTube to relive the excitement. They want it now. If you wait until the next day, thousands of creators have already uploaded similar content. The audience has already moved on. Timing can sometimes be more important than production quality. Now let's talk about the thumbnails. I kept my thumbnails simple. Big player faces, bright team colors, one emotional expression, very little text. The thumbnail had one job: make football fans curious enough to click. Complicated designs perform worse during fast events. Instead of boring titles, I focused on curiosity. Nobody expected this, or the biggest shock of the World Cup. The goal wasn't to mislead viewers. The goal was to make them curious enough to find out what actually happened. During those 2 days, I uploaded multiple videos instead of just one. Every upload became another opportunity. Some videos performed okay, others exploded. The important thing is that I kept posting. You only need one to take off. Then, something amazing happened. One video started getting recommended. The views increased every single minute. Subscribers began coming in faster than I had ever seen. 10, 50, 100, 500, then 1,000 subscribers in 2 days. It felt unreal, but it wasn't magic. It was preparation meeting a massive trend. Now for the biggest lesson. The biggest lesson wasn't actually about football. It was about understanding how the YouTube platform rewards videos. When millions of viewers suddenly become interested in one topic, YouTube looks for content that satisfies that demand. If your video is useful, engaging, and uploaded at the right time, the algorithm introduces you to thousands of new viewers. Can this strategy still work? Absolutely. It doesn't have to be the World Cup. It works for tech launches and movies too. Major sports events, viral news stories, gaming events. The key is creating value while interest is at its highest. Getting 1,000 subscribers in 2 days changed how I looked at YouTube. Small creators don't always need millions to succeed. Sometimes, all you need is the right topic at the right time. Your next trending video could change everything. So don't wait for the perfect moment. The next big trend could be your biggest opportunity. Move quickly and provide value. Thank you so much for watching. If you learned something, like and subscribe to help another creator grow. I'll see you next time.